Hi, I'm Craig Strong with Lensbaby. I'm a photographer and I love going out with my DSLR and all the lenses and gear that goes with it and creating amazing, beautiful, creative images. I don't always have my DSLR with me. The camera that I have with me all the time is my iPhone. I'm feeling pretty lucky today to be able to introduce you to Lensbaby's first creative effects lens for iPhones. Taking images with a sharp, sweet spot of focus surrounded by gradually increasing blur lets you direct the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. Tell a story about the most important thing in your photo. Create a surreal, dreamy mood. Add a feeling of motion to your images. And create abstract imagery. For the past 10 years, our amazing crew at Lensbaby has been making an array of special effects lenses and accessories for DSLR cameras. Lensbaby users have been asking for a Lensbaby for their camera phone for a long time. We're able to get the classic Lensbaby look into our sweet spot of focus lens for iPhones. I'm excited to think that we can help you create magic in camera, in the moment, with this lens. You'll be able to see the special effects as you're shooting and see exactly how it will turn out when you press the shutter button. Our lens magnetically attaches to your phone. Lensbaby will supply a metal ring that you adhere to your phone and our lens attaches to that ring. In addition to the sweet spot lens, we've created an app that's been specifically designed to enhance your shooting experience. You'll also be able to move the sweet spot of focus by simply moving it on the screen with your finger. An added bonus to our sweet spot lens is that it has magnets on both ends. What that allows you to do is put your existing lenses on top. If you want to modify the focal length and get a wider or more telephoto angle of view, or use something like the polarizer to get a filter effect on it, then you just attach it to the end and there you go. So how did we get here? I experimented with a lot of optics before I found a combination that could create a sweet spot of focus on a camera that had a sensor the size actually quite a bit smaller than my fingernail. We sent the optical design, once we confirmed that it did what we wanted it to do, to our optical engineer who perfected the optical design, and we were able to build more refined mechanics around that. After we received the initial order of optics, we printed 3D models to fine-tune our design and got those samples out to beta testers. Now we're ready to kick off tooling for the end caps and start a production run of the optics and the anodized aluminum for the lens body. And that's where your support comes in. If you want to experiment with your iPhone photography and push your creative boundaries, we want to get this lens into your hands. Here at Lensbaby, our goal is to help you see in a new way.